Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own playlist on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top of your screen, you're going to find the notifications. Here you're going to find your friend activity, and right here you're going to find your profile icon. If you click right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find here the option to access your account, profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to your settings, and lastly log out from your Spotify account. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, search, and here you're going to find all of your playlists. If you click on expand your library, here you're going to be able to see your library. So right now, in order to create your own playlist on Spotify, all you need to do, guys, is click on expand your library. Then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to create a playlist or folder. Go ahead and click on it. Then right here, you're going to find create a new playlist or create a playlist folder. Go ahead and click on create a new playlist. Then as you can see, guys, it will be directly created. Once you create your playlist, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find the option to choose a photo for your playlist. You can just choose it from your computer. You can also choose a name for the playlist. For example, I'm going to name it tutorial playlist like this. And then you can also add a description. Then go ahead and click on save. And as you can see, guys, the playlist is saved. Right now, in order to add your songs to the playlist, all you need to do, guys, is go to the home section or the search section. Then just search for any songs that you want to add to the playlist. So I'm going to go right here to browse all. Then I'm going to click, for example, on hip hop. Then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of songs. For example, I'm going to click on this one. Then once you're here, as you can see, guys, you can hover your mouse over any song. You can play it if you want. And here in the right, if you click on these three dots, right here, you're going to find the option to add the song to a playlist. So right here, go ahead and find the playlist you want to add the song to. So in our case, we're going to add it to our new playlist, tutorial playlist. And as you can see, guys, it's added to the playlist. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.